wish I could be a driver of a real truck. Max, it's too early to think about it. You're too small.
Don't worry, Max. I've got an idea. Hi, we would like to order the biggest toy truck you've got.
Oh!
So, kids, are you ready to assemble that truck?
Yes! We need some tools for this. Wow, look at these big wheels! What a big roof! This is a steering wheel! And this is a seat!
Max, bring over the wheels, please.
Okay.
Sofia, bring the seat! And now let's set the rear view mirrors. Max, screw the motor cover. And now let's stick the stickers. Yay! Wow, what a cool truck!
Hey, Max, I think your car is missing something.
Whoa! Max, what are you gonna haul in this truck? I'm gonna haul tasty and healthy vegetables. Ta-da! And now let's load the veggies. Ready!
Remember, Max, both the driver and the passenger must wear a seat belt at all times while driving the vehicle.
I got it! Let's go! Today was a great day because my dream came true. I became a driver of a truck.